Welcome to Backyard Being Garden. This is Hops right here. We raise lionhead bunnies. These are my daughter's favorite pets and she spends a lot of time caring for them. This adorable mom is Clover and she has a couple of babies and I'm going to show you in just a minute. Here are the two new additions to the family. So adorable. Look how cute they are. So cute. And here's mom peeking in just to see what's going on and make sure her babies are okay. Lionhead rabbits make great pets and you can use their poop as fertilizer for the garden. So this is Honey right here. She's super adorable. Hey girl, you want to come sniff the camera? Come on over. Come on, come say hi. Hello there, little cutie. Please subscribe and join our family. Hopefully it's a great honeybee and gardening season for all of us.